Tube dilution for antibiotic susceptibility test. And this tube dilution is also called as broth dilution method because here we are using liquid media. And the graded amount of drug is taken into Muller-Hinder broth. That means the graded or the concentration, different concentration of drug is taken in Muller-Hinder broth, and this Muller-Hinder media are inoculated with test bacterium, and this control strain is also inoculated in this broth, and we will incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for overnight incubation or 16 to 18 hours. At last, the end point is taken as MIC or MBC. MIC and MBC. MIC means minimum inhibitory concentration. That means the minimum amount of antimicrobial agent required to inhibit the growth of particular organism. That means minimum inhibitory concentration means that will inhibit the growth of that particular organism. In MBC means minimum bactericidal concentration. That means the minimum amount of antimicrobial agent or drug required to kill the bacteria. That we will call it as bactericidal concentration. Bactericidal concentration means that will kill the bacteria, and inhibitory concentration means that will inhibit the particular growth of bacterium towards that particular tube dilution method. The tube dilution method is also called as broth dilution method. Here, the test organism is inoculated into tube containing serial dilution of antibiotics. That means first we will take the test tube. In this test tube, we will add equal volume of Muller-Hinder broth. To this Muller-Hinder broth, we will add different gradient of different concentration of antibiotics in serial dilution. Here you can say the concentration of antibiotic is 64, here 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, like that. At last, this is the control. Like that, we are serially diluting the medium with antibiotics. And after that, we will incubate these tubes for overnight incubation or 60 to 18 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. And after that, we will read the result. And after the incubation, here you can see the first 4 tube doesn't show any visible turbidity. And from here onwards, we can see the turbidity in the culture broth or culture medium. This turbidity indicates the growth of the bacterium. And this 8, this endpoint, we will consider as the minimum inhibitory concentration, that is 8 milligram per ml. The minimum inhibitory concentration is also called as the amount of antimicrobial agent required to inhibit the growth of bacteria, that is called as MIC. And to calculate the MBC, that is minimum bactericidal concentration, again what we will do, we will subculture the broth into separate solid medium, because till here there is no visible turbidity is not seen in these tubes, and we have to confirm whether the organism is present in this tube. From here onwards, we know that the turbidity is present. The turbidity indicates the growth of the bacteria. And the first 4 tube doesn't show any visible turbidity, so that to confirm whether the growth is present or not, we will subculture the each tube into separate solid medium. And after that, we will observe the growth in the solid medium. And after the subculture into solid medium, we will incubate the solid medium at overnight incubation, that is 16 to 80 degrees, 16 to 18 hours for 37 degrees Celsius. And we will observe whether any growth is present or growth is observed in this solid medium. Here you can see the first 2 plate doesn't have any growth, and the third and fourth plate is having growth. So this endpoint, that is 32 milligram per ml concentration, we will consider as the MBC, that is minimum bactericidal concentration of this antibiotic. So this 32 milligram per ml is considered as the MBC. That means this 32 milligram per ml can kill the bacteria.
Subscribe to Simply Micromed. If you're curious about medical microbiology, infectious diseases, and unraveling the mysteries of tiny organisms, hit that subscribe button. Join our community of science enthusiasts, and let's explore the microscopic world together. Remember, knowledge is contagious. Spread it by liking and subscribing. Thank you.